goes. Look, see how dark it goes? Just look at yourself. Bright, dark. That's insane, guys. That's why ND filter is meant to be. Alright, so let me put the ND filter on and see how it goes. Bam! What up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm here to show you again this ND filter. This is KF Concept. I'm already using it, so I'm just gonna show you the difference between this and the newer ND filter. So you're gonna have to see it by yourself. You tell me. So I'm using right now KF Concept ND filter, and this is, ND2 to 400, 67 millimeter variable. So I already opened it. Like I said, I'm using this. Difference between this and the other one. So I open it, take it out. It's very simple. This is it right here. And inside the box, we see there are probably 3 microfiber cleaning cloth. So, which is good, you know, they're giving you this for free. And the price of this ND filter, I believe, is less than newer, you know, which I like. So I'm just gonna go switch it and see how everything goes. This is with the filter. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth and see how everything goes. It's changing. It's just the darkest can go, like this. That's the darkest this one can go. And so this is the filter. Dark and bright. So let me take this thing off and let's see how it's gonna be without the filter. This is with the filter, right? Without the filter now, you're gonna see. This is without the filter. You see the big difference, right? Without the filter, it's more brighter, even though you go and dial in some setting, but this is without the filter. Let me put this back. And also one thing I would say about this filter, that there is no covers. So if you go and keep touching it, it's gonna get dirty real quick. So this is without the filter, as you can see here. I took it off KF Concept and the filter. Now I'm gonna go with this is newer ND filter. This is ND2 to 32 CPL. Let's see this one, how it comes just like this. Oh, by the way, I add some cover for this one. I think I'm gonna have to go and add some covers for the other one too, but it didn't come out with this. If you see it, don't feel like yours didn't come out with that. I just add those things inside. It's hard to open this, man. How do you do this? Oh, I see. So you push the button here and open it. So this is how the new one comes. Just one cloth, right? And the difference between that and this one is that comes with the cover and I just add this, yeah, the covers, because now you gotta be smart. This is how this filter look like. As you can see, let's say trying to cover everything. Let's see how I'm gonna look like. That goes, look, see how dark it goes? Just look at yourself. Bright, dark. That's insane, guys. That's why ND filter is meant to be. Alright, so let me put the ND filter on and see how it goes. Bam. This is with newer ND filter, right? This is just a stop that you can go and dial in. This is how it looks like. I can go dial in my hands on. I think I'm gonna have to do like 2 videos with my phone. The reason why I'm not showing you the second camera is because I am actually recording right now, as we can see. All right, so I'm recording right now with my DJI with the iPhone. That's why I'm not using it. So this is really good, guys. I'm gonna bring a video. If you want me to do a video about this DJI right here, I just add, let me know, comment down below. I'm gonna show you exactly. I came in the background of, I'm an audio engineer, so for the video you can laugh at me, but when it comes to audio, I think that's where my strength is at. I just want to transfer from audio to video, but I'm recording my audio right now, as you can see, through my iPhone, and it comes straight to there. So let me know, comment down below if you want me to do the video about this audio. It's really good, the wireless, really good. Like I've tried so many wireless, but we can talk about that next time. Just let me know, comment down below if you want me to add another video for this audio, for this wireless microphone, and how to record with clean